Hello everybody, Dadas here, speaking to you from the Dadas Trading Room Discord server, where I stream my trading live. So you can join my voice channel and watch my stream live, and I do that from about 10-11 a.m. UTC +2, that's Central European Summertime, all the way until 2300 p.m. In other words, that's 11 p.m. UTC +2, so that's Central European Summertime. You're all invited. You can interact with me, you can speak with me, ask questions. You will see my screen, you will see my charts. We can do some analysis of some instruments you would like me to do the analysis on. Yeah, we can do that live, and I would be very glad if there were people who would be doing that with me, right? Either Polish speakers or English speakers, it doesn't matter. I feel comfortable with both Polish and English. I wouldn't feel comfortable with Russian in this topic because I don't have the vocabulary for it. Or German, for example, also I wouldn't be, or Spanish, because I simply don't have the correct vocabulary for trading, and my knowledge of those other languages is not so good as English and Polish, of course. So what do? I trade the DAX 30 index every day, so I'm looking for trades during the day. Sometimes I have a better day, sometimes my day is not so good, and that also relates to my trading. Now, what do we see here on the chart is that the white lines are showing they are called period separators. They show us the period of 1 day, and the yellow line is the opening of the London session. So basically, I don't trade during the night. This is the night hour for me. So I get up somewhere around the opening of the London session, or a bit after the opening of the, perhaps an hour or two after the opening of the London session. That's when I start looking for trades, and sometimes I'm more consistent with my method, sometimes I get some kind of other idea, and that's basically what happened today, because you can see that I got in long right here, and you'll ask me, okay, why did I basically scalp it, and why did I get out of it so quickly when we see that the price went up? Well, basically it's because I have a strong aversion to getting in at such situations like here. So because I have a bad experience that in such moments the price very often just turns around and it creates losses, and I don't feel comfortable with that. That's why I was a bit half asleep right here. So basically I just saw that the price was moving up, and I thought to myself, okay, so the price is going to move up. Well, it actually did move up, but the right thing to do was to treat it like this. So the right thing to do was to look where we have the bearish pullback, and then to wait for the price to be moving back up. So find the support point, right, when the market shows us the support point, because from the other perspective we have a bullish market right here, right? So we have a bullish market. So if we have a bullish market and we were looking for potential short, then this would be the potential short right here, provided that the price broke down, and then that would become our resistance level. But since it didn't become the resistance level, then the direction is the other way, right? So if the direction is the other way, so that's where we need to put our stop loss. And we need to find, I mean, the ideal situation would be that after this breakout, the price came back to this level and, retested this level even for a short time and then continued up. That would have been the best situation. That's why this type of situation is not a very good one. Anyways, yeah, so that's why I got out of it. But because that's one of the biggest challenges perhaps in trading, that opportunities don't happen when we want them to happen. They happen when they happen. So if we are not there at the best moment, we have to wait for the next best moment, right? And if we are not able to wait for the next best moment, then we often react like this, and that's a shitty way to react. Now, so I got the idea right here that I would try something out, like if we have a bullish trend right here, right? A bullish trend right here. So I was thinking to myself, okay, so this could be the pullback, and this is a good opportunity to perhaps get in a long trade. Of course, I was trying out the idea of some person that claimed that candles don't matter, price action doesn't matter, only the levels matter, because this is where the bulls broke out. So there's a good chance that there will be more bulls right here. Because some fat guy probably left some good orders right here, fat orders. Well, so yeah. So I was watching as the price turns around and goes the other direction, and I thought, nah, this is bullshit. So I got out of it. I also had one lot right here. I got out of it. I turned around at 10 lots and recovered my loss with a profit, because I lost something around 19 pips at one lot, and I recovered like almost 6 pips at 10 lots. That makes 60 pips at one lot, right? So a good recovery. But I wanted to try this idea out again, right? So here we have another potential supply zone, right? Or somebody calls them the last line of defense, right? Last line of defense. Bullshit. And again, I'm getting another stop loss, or even better, because I'm not waiting all the way down to this stop loss, but I'm simply cutting the loss and turning around. This time it was a bit stronger, because I initially went in at 10 lots and got out and turned around at 100 lots. And what we see right here is that, again, I'm making a recovery, because I lost 64 pips at 10 lots, and I got a profit of almost 77.6 pips at 100 lots, which makes it 76 pips at 100 lots, right? So again, I'm making a profit. And I'm making a profit absolutely not the way that they teach you, right? But still, I'm not satisfied with this. So what happens next? Again, the price, like I said, the opportunity the opportunity was more like here, but at that time I took a break, right? Because of the situation, I had to recover myself a little bit, and then I see another opportunity, because the price is going down. But it's not a good opportunity, because the price is at a low level. Now, what happened here? Again, I decided to take a small scalp, But and I actually clicked the close button when the price was at profit. Unfortunately, it closed at a very minimum 0.3 pip loss. Well, okay. So I waited it out, and again, instead of taking a good opportunity, I took some opportunity right here, but this time I managed to close it out at a profit, which gave me over 3 times more than this loss. So basically, I'm here all the way in profit. However, even though I am in profit, I'm not satisfied at all with this type of trading, because that's not the idea. I have to say that today I had a bad day, even though it's a profitable day. Because what I should have done right here, I mean, I should have waited for a bullish signal, because that's the way to do it, right? If I didn't get a bullish signal, I shouldn't be going in long, but also I shouldn't be going short, because if the bullish market is right here, which my signal shows, then the stop loss for short has to be right there. The signals for short are right here, and another one that is breaking out, and I should be taking a short. Well, basically exactly where I did turn it around. But then I should, when not faced with the necessity to recover my loss, I would have been probably looking at it from a different perspective. Then I could secure myself, like after the price had broken out, I could secure myself 10 pips profit by moving the stop loss right to the profit level. And then I had a lot of options just to wait, but my mindset right here was on a different idea. That was a stupid idea, because basically, again, if we have a bullish market over here, right, if we have a bullish market over here, then we need to wait for the price to break out, again, and then make another trade, another short trade in this direction, right? Well, whether or not to wait until the take profit here, or close it earlier because the price is moving back up, well, that's another issue, right? It's another issue. Nevertheless, I still could have secured myself, let's say, the profit when the price went down. I could have secured my profit right here. There would have been 27 pips, or about 26 pips, and just then waited for what happens next, right? You could also ask, okay, so if this was the bearish market, then could I have gone long right here? Yes, it was also possible to get in long right here and take the stop loss, right? And after having taken the stop loss right there, turn around like this, and then recover the because the price went down. Of course, it didn't reach the take profit yet, but it's possible that it's gonna reach the take profit. But even if it hadn't reached the take profit, I would have closed it manually. That would have looked properly. So, to summarize, the day was profitable, but not as profitable as it could have been. And basically, I am not satisfied with what I was doing. So, nevertheless, let bygones be bygones. Let's just take the conclusions, learn from our own mistakes, and decide not to. Yeah, I mean, that's all we can do, right? I mean, we can try to not to make the same mistakes the next time, even though we probably know that at some point we're going to make those mistakes. Why does it happen? That's a big psychological issue. So, yeah. You can probably be better than me. Maybe not everybody, but yeah. I'm certain that many of you could be better than me. So, I'm good at creating ideas, I'm good at creating tools, so why don't you join me and just show me that you can do it better than me? You're sincerely invited. So, click the thumbs up button. So yeah, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, join my Dada's Trading Room Discord server, trade with me, and also you can become my patron or support me directly through PayPal. The links are also below in the descriptions, and get your VIP role on my Dada's Trading Room Discord server. So please stay safe, stay healthy, and see you next time. Bye.